Hello and welcome to my presentation. My name is Alex Ernescu and I'll be showcasing a telemetry project I've been working on for a PvP game. While experienced with Amazon Web databases and Lambda, for simplicity I implemented the backend locally using Node.js. The entire project took roughly about 10 to 12 hours and involved setting up the server, the database, creating both the backend and front end, and integrating everything with Roblox. The goal of the project was to track meaningful player behavior, match performance, and engagement. And I wanted to build something scalable and closer to what professional games use. To properly validate the system, I simulated 2 months of synthetic data. At the core of the system, data is recorded when a player finishes a match. Each player sends a structured payload containing match in player data, timestamped in UTC, and linked to a unique match ID. To ensure security and integrity, the data is sent from Roblox to the backend using a secret API key and is stored using parameterized queries to prevent SQL injections. The front-end dashboard is fully dynamic. Charts reload automatically and tabs control which filters are visible. There is a region filter that applies to all the tabs, a date range filter for the trend-based charts, and a match ID filter for specific match-based views. Using the system, I can currently measure the daily and monthly active users derived from match participation, and this is shown under the active users tab. Session frequency showing either the average matches played over a date range or the distribution of matches played per player on a single day. Average match duration helps to understand pacing and player fatigue. Heroes and item analytics showing popularity, usage trends, and meta insight. When viewing match stats, the dashboard compares teams by total gold, experience, level, and total items purchased. So these metrics are early indicators of player retention and provide insight into whether player returns and play multiple matches, whether match length is too long or too short, whether players explore item diversity or stick to a meta, and how hero dominance affect engagement. As for future work, is turning this behavioral data into long-term retention analysis, including retention cohorts, hero-based retention, showing which characters keep players engaged, item diversity scoring to detect stale on unhealthy metas, session streak tracking for daily engagement, and match outcome versus retention to study the impact of wins and losses. The current system prioritizes correctness and flexibility by computing metrics directly from match data. As it scales, though, queries will move into a schedule aggregation job or cache summaries without changing the data model. Overall, this system creates a strong foundation from understanding player behavior, improving game balance, and boosting long-term retention. And once again, my name is Alex Ernescu. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you have a great day. Bye-bye.